Here we are showing you an assembly video of the double bed in metal. Keep in mind, we now have the double bed and a single bed, which is identical to what you're seeing now, but half the size. Our mattresses will fit the double bed and our singles will fit the single beds. Best way is open your box, your flat pack, and lay out your components like this. Your slat, your ends, your sides. And watch Mario and George put it together so quickly. You don't need any screws until the end when you're putting in the slat. You'll need only a screwdriver, a drill. When the slats are being installed, you need to use screws for them so that the actual bed stays rigid and strong. So it's only the slats that need a drill. The rest of it is all locks in and it's there forever. All metal, no wood. So if you're supplying these into student accommodations, backpacker hostels, student colleges, refugee camp, army camps, camping where you want the double bed or the single bed. They'll be so easy to maintain, so easy to clean, so easy to wipe down. And the big benefit is they do not squeak. Mario likes to make a lot of noise because he likes to be heard. Here we go, his camera person. Look how easy it is to lock in. Now you've got multiple of choices in our backpacker and student furniture market. You've got the double bed, you've got the single bed, as you can see now. You've got your privacy bunk and your bunks, which you'll see in other listings. Now here we are inserting the next crossbar. Excellent for children growing up or wherever a double bed is required. Just clips all together.